Garbage in, garbage out. So what do you mean by garbage? Another name is waste. The substance which is of no use and is thrown away is called garbage. So what are the sources of garbage? Sources of garbage are domestic waste, community waste, and municipal waste. Now, what is domestic waste? Waste produced in household is called domestic waste. For example, fruit peels, vegetable peels, these are the examples. So the next comes community waste. What is community waste? The waste produced in shops, schools, house is called community waste. And now what is municipal waste? The gathering of domestic and community waste make municipal waste. So what are the types of waste according to their degrading? These are biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Now what is biodegradable? Biodegradable is the waste that can be decomposed by the microorganism. It's called biodegradable waste. For example, fruit peels, vegetable peels. These are the examples. Okay. So the next type is non-biodegradable. Is the waste that cannot be decomposed by the microorganism is called a non-biodegradable waste. For example, plastic and polythene bags. These are the examples. Now, how many 4 R principles are there? There are 4 R principles. Reuse, recycle, recover. These are 3. Okay, first let me explain 3. Reuse. So first is reduce. What is reduce? We should reduce the waste in the least amount. How much we can use it in the least amount? This is called reduce. Reuse. We should reuse the non-biodegradable waste. For example, we can cut bottles and make it as pot. Like in many homes there is this. So the next comes recycling. When a material can't be reduced, can't be reused, then it goes to recycling. There is recycling of biodegradable, non-biodegradable, both the waste. Now comes the recover. When we convert the substance into anything new, something new substance. Okay. So if we made the paper, you see, we made the paper into flowers, bouquet. These are the examples of recover. So the next comes the how we manage the waste. There are 3 ways: composting, landfill, and vermicomposting. Landfill. Let's start from landfill. What is landfill? A large area in which biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste are separated and covered by the soil. And after 20 years, there can be construction of park and hospitals, anything else. So this is landfill process. In this, biodegradable and non-biodegradable are separated, not these are together. So next method comes composting. When we dig a pit means a small hole. When we dig a pit and keep the biodegradable waste in it and cover it by soil, and after 4 or 5 days it converts into manure, this process is called composting. This can be only of biodegradable waste. So that comes vermicomposting. The method of converting biodegradable waste by putting into a dig with the help of red worms is called vermicomposting. Composting and vermicomposting are almost same, but in vermicomposting, composting is done by red worms. This is the only thing. So the next topic is recycling of biodegradable waste. So how can we recycle a paper? It's a biodegradable waste. How can we recycle that? So how can we recycle? First we will discuss what thing it is made up of. It is made up of cellulose fiber, which present in trees. So first we cut the trees and make the paper with the process of that. Then we will add some additives. Then sieve it. It will convert into pulp. Then we will sieve it. Then again we will add some additives and de-inking method we will do with it. So whatever ink is in that, it will be disappear. Then we will press it by rolling machine 20 to 30 times. Then it will be recycled. In non-biodegradable, we can do only one thing. We can reduce it and reuse it. Instead of plastic bags, we can use cloth bags. Just